We have a very pink combination this week, RV66. Make sure your Copics are refilled for next week, which is when we start our new series, Copic for Beginners, where I will show you how to color an image from beginning to end, step by step. I will give you a free digital image so you can color with me. Also, there's going to be a package where you'll see the photo reference, the finished project, and the blending combinations. This is Elena with VioletaInk.com, and we sell Copic markers, refills, nibs, and Prismacolor pencils. Thank you.
We're starting with RV66. I built a fence, and now we're flicking away with RV66. I'm going on top of it with RV63. We have to completely cover it and go a little bit more. And this is RV52. It's going to be the lightest. The lightest has to go slower. We're going to be underpainting with B63. On top of it is going to be RV66, and it has to cover all of B63. RV63 on top of it, flicking away, and we're going to end with RV52. The bonus combination, we're going to underpaint with B63. As soon as I find it, there it is. I think that needed to be refilled. This is RV66. It goes on top of it. RV34, because we're doing the bonus combination. And then RV63. This is going to give you a more mauve kind of pink. The Prismacolor pencil match. It is a combination. This is RV66, so we can actually match it to it. So I am starting with PC 936 Slate Gray. Why? Because I wanted that deep, of course, that RV66 is giving us, but the mulberry was not giving it to me before. So I needed something deeper, something that would kind of desaturate it a little bit. And then on top of it, we're going to go with PC 994 Process Red. The mulberry is PC 995. Now, on the second rectangle, I started with mulberry, PC 995. On top of it, I went with slate gray, but that made it look a little bit purple, and I did not like that very well. So yeah, I still think the same as when I was recording this. This is the natural family combination. We are flicking away. Have you noticed how slow I am coloring? This is very flicky, this butterfly. I have not colored in 2 years. Maybe we can have a YouTube live so I can tell you what I've been doing in these 2 years. But I have not been coloring 2 years. Surprisingly, many of my markers needed to be refilled, but nothing went dry. I mean, nothing went to the point that I need a new marker. Like this one, it needs to be refilled. Why is it that I didn't see at that moment? I do not know. Maybe not practice enough. This is RV66 with the underpaint. Remember, the purpose of the butterfly is that we see the difference when you underpaint and when you do not underpaint. On top of it is RV63. The speed of the flick. The first one is the fastest. The middle color is going to be the medium. And the last one is going to be the slowest. We need to make sure that everything blends. This is the bonus combination. We're not doing the stain test anymore because everything's stained. Nothing ever not stained. So we just stopped doing it. That was RV66. Now on top of it is RV34. I think it's a more rich combination. RV63 goes on top and it needs more, it needs to be refilled. I'm very good at critiquing coloring. Just at the moment, I didn't realize that I needed more ink. This is underpainted with B63. RV66. Remember, it has to cover all of the underpainting because the middle color is not going to be able to cover it. For that, we will need another color to underpaint. This is RV34, and we're going to finish with RV63. So this is the finished product. Remember that we do have the template in our website. There's going to be a link on the description box. This is all about RV66. The natural family combination is RV66, 63, and RV52. We're underpainting with B63, and the bonus combination is RV66, RV34, and RV66. That's not true. It's RV63. Thank you for watching, and we will see you next week. Bye.